Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to redeem codes in Webtoon. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to redeem a code. At the bottom right, you can see a button like this called as More. Click on it right now. And once you guys do that, you will be redirected to the More section. And right here, the very first thing that you're gonna see are these coins. Simply click on this tab right here. Simply click on the Buy Coins button. And as such, you will be redirected to the coin shop. Well, as you guys can see, you can simply buy coins from right here. But what I'm gonna do is simply scroll down till I see something called as Redeem Free Coins. Click on it. Now all you guys have to do is simply input your promotion code right here. And once you guys have done that, simply hit on apply. And guys, that is it. That's how you redeem codes in Webtoon. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.